Assalamualaikum everyone. So we will discuss today the exercise of chapter number 1, Indus Valley Civilization, and you are gonna write this exercise for the first time because in standard 5th the format of the exercise was quite different in social science. So we will discuss this exercise. So I will give you the ideas how you should write the question answers, and I'm not gonna tell you the exact answer, so you have to find by yourself. So let's talk about the exercise number A. Answer the following in short. The first question is, what was the extent of the Harappan civilization? So the extent, it only asks the extent. So in this one, the major centers of civilization, in this paragraph you will get the answers of this question, and the answer is very easy. So you just have to write the extent digits, that's it. Now let's move on the next question. The next question is, the people was suggests that the Indus Valley people were fond of yoga. So the answer of these questions you will find in religious belief of the people. You can see that religious belief of the people. In this paragraph you will find the answer. Now let's move on to question number 3. Which god and goddess were worshipped by the people of the Harappan civilization? You will get the answer of these questions in the same paragraph that I have mentioned earlier, in the religious belief. Now, how did the Indus Valley civilizations get its name? So you will get the answer of this question in itself. Indus Valley civilization. In this paragraph you will get the answer. And the major centers of civilization as well. There are total 2 answers. In Indus Valley civilizations also you can find out, and major center of civilization there will be 2 answers of these questions. Let me submit it and I will give you the feedback whether your answers are correct or incorrect. Now let's talk about question number 4. How did the Indus Valley civilization get its name? The same paragraph, Indus Valley civilization. In that paragraph you will get your answer. The first paragraph that I have mentioned a few moments back. Now the 5th question is, what are the characteristics of the Indus Valley civilization? Now you just have to only mention characteristics like, let me show you. You can see the characteristics of Indus Valley civilization like society, dress, then dwelling houses, you can see food, town planning, everything you can write, but only names. You don't need to mention the whole paragraphs like dwelling house, the great bath. No, just name like great bath, food, town planning, building, that's it. It will be fine. Let's move to give reasons for the following. Now, so give reasons for the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. So you can get the answer here. Decline of the Indus Valley civilization, and you can see earthquake, droughts and epidemic, floods and aggressions by the Aryan. These 4 points only you have to write. That's it. That will be your final answer. Now the next question is, why Indus Valley people wore cotton clothes? Why did the archaeologist give this statement? So the topic race, you can see this paragraph. This paragraph will be the final answer of this question. You can write it by your own self. Be note one thing, that जो भी आंसर्स आप लिखोगे वो आंसर आपको अपनी लैंग्वेज में लिखना है. Your own sentence, your own grammatical structures, your own synonyms, whatever you can add. लेकिन कॉपी बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है. Okay. The third is, why is Indus Valley called a civilization? Very first paragraph, Indus Valley civilization. You can get the answer. Now, answer the following in details. Give 3 features of the dwelling house of Mohenjo-daro. So here we can see dwelling house. You can see this dwelling house. Only 3 features you have to write. पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. सिर्फ 3 फीचर्स कोई भी आपको इजी लगते हैं वो आप लिख लीजिए ना। The next thing is analysis the social setup of the Indus Valley people. This question. The social setup, it means the whole paragraph of this society. You can write this whole paragraph society. Your answer will be this paragraph of society. Now, the third is the Indus Valley people had a great architectural skill. Justify the statement with appropriate example. देखो लो, इसके अंदर हमको करना क्या है कि अभी तक जितने भी आर्किटेक्चरल इन्होंने इंडस वैली पीपल ने काम किए हैं, लाइक द ग्रेट बाथ, ड्वेलिंग हाउस, वो सबके नेम लिखने हैं और उसके अंदर कोई भी एक पॉइंट आपको मेंशन करना है। फाइनली आप लिख सकते हो दैट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजंस, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एग्जांपल्स वी कैन से दैट इंडस वैली पीपल हैड ग्रेट आर्किटेक्चरल स्किल्स। ग्रेट बाथ हो गया, ड्वेलिंग हाउस हो गया, एक्सेट्रा जितने भी है उसकी एक एक पॉइंट लिखना है और फाइनली नीचे उसको कंक्लूड कर देना है ना। एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल अबाउट द ग्रेट बाथ फाउंड एट मोहनजोदारो। तो ये इज द आंसर, द ग्रेट बाथ ऑफ मोहनजोदारो। दिस मच विल बी योर आंसर, द होल पैराग्राफ। इट सीम्स इजी नाउ। एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल अबाउट द ग्रेट बाथ ऑफ फाउंड एट मोहनजोदारो हो गया। नाउ व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द रिलीजियस बिलीफ्स ऑफ द पीपल। लेट्स सी। सो रिलीजियस बिलीफ, you can see the paragraph here. You can see the paragraph. So first paragraph ही आएगा आंसर में आपके, और उसके बाद नीचे के ये पैराग्राफ की कोई भी 3 पॉइंट आप अपनी मर्जी के लिख सकते हैं, कोई भी 3 पॉइंट यू आर फ्री टू राइट। सो ये आंसर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। तो एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस आई होप कि आप लोगों को समझ में आए होंगे। आप इसको ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, स्टडी कीजिए और अपनी लैंग्वेज में लिखने की ट्राई कीजिए एंड सबमिट मी एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, so I can easily give you the feedback. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.